Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2229 indicates an issue with the Barometric Pressure Sensor circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This diagnostic trouble code is set when the Engine Control Module, ECM, often referred to as the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the output from the barometric pressure baro sensor signifies a higher value than what is predefined. The baro sensor plays a crucial role in measuring the atmospheric pressure surrounding the vehicle, and its accurate readings are essential for calculating the air density entering the engine, directly affecting fuel-air mixture calculations and engine performance. If the baro sensor records a value exceeding specified parameters, typically over 855.1 mm Hg for USA and Canada models, or 879.8 mm Hg for models in Mexico, the PCM interprets this as a fault. A proper understanding of PCM functionality and barometric pressure determination is essential in diagnosing this issue correctly. Addressing DTC P2229 can prevent potential performance degradation and ensures smoother engine operation. The barometric pressure, baro sensor, plays a pivotal role in measuring the ambient atmospheric pressure, which is essential for the engine's air-fuel mixture calculations. Located typically in the engine compartment or closely wired to the PCM, the baro sensor directly feeds information to the PCM, allowing it to adjust fuel delivery based on current atmospheric conditions. When the sensor output exceeds the set limits, it indicates a fault in its circuit, prompting the PCM to store the diagnostic trouble code, DTC P2229. This code signals a high voltage scenario, suggesting the possibility of electrical issues or sensor malfunction associated with the baro sensor. Understanding the exact location and function of the baro sensor is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. The PCM, which is responsible for controlling numerous engine functions, relies heavily on accurate readings from the baro sensor to optimize performance and efficiency. Several factors may contribute to the occurrence of DTC P2229. The most common cause is a faulty barometric pressure baro sensor itself, which may provide incorrect voltage readings due to internal damage or wear. Another potential cause could be wiring issues, such as frayed cables or poor connections that could disrupt the electrical signal between the baro sensor and the PCM. In some instances, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, itself may be at fault, unable to accurately interpret signals from the baro sensor due to software glitches or hardware failures. Identifying the root cause is crucial to effectively resolving this diagnostic code and restoring proper vehicle operation. Electrical diagnostics and thorough inspections of the wiring harness and sensor are essential steps in effectively determining the underlying problem associated with this DTC. When the DTC PT2229 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest, indicating an underlying issue with the baro sensor circuit. The most common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a problem detected by the PCM. Moreover, vehicle owners may experience poor engine performance, as inaccurate readings from the baro sensor can lead to improper air-fuel mixture ratios, resulting in sluggish acceleration or stalling. Increased fuel consumption can also be observed due to the PCM compensating for perceived lower air density, leading to richer fuel delivery than necessary. Another potential symptom is rough idling or decreased engine responsiveness, which can be particularly noticeable during quick acceleration. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent further complications and ensure timely repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2229 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode. This action activates the vehicle's electronic systems, allowing the technician to access the diagnostic data through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Once in this mode, the technician should carefully monitor the barosensor's output value displayed on the diagnostic tool. As per specifications, for USA and Canada models, the barosensor value should not exceed 855.1 mm Hg. In contrast, for Mexican models, the threshold is 879.8 mm Hg. If the observed value surpasses these limits, it confirms a fault in the barosensor operation, validating the high voltage issue that triggered the DTC. This process is critical as it helps pinpoint whether the fault lies within the sensor itself or the associated circuitry, allowing for more targeted troubleshooting. After conducting the initial confirmation procedure, the next troubleshooting step involves thoroughly inspecting the wiring connections associated with the barosensor. This includes checking for any visible signs of wear, corrosion, or disconnection, as these issues can significantly affect the sensor's performance. Particular attention should be given to potential short circuits or breaks in the wiring harness, as these conditions can cause the barosensor to provide erratic or high voltage readings. If any problems are detected during the inspection, immediate repairs should be implemented. This might involve replacing frayed wiring, tightening loose connections, or addressing corrosion on terminals to ensure a stable electrical connection. A systematic approach in this step can often resolve underlying issues that lead to DTC P2229 without requiring sensor replacement. If prior troubleshooting steps have not identified or resolved the issue, the next logical step is to replace the barometric pressure sensor itself. Given that the sensor is critical for accurate atmospheric pressure readings, a malfunctioning barosensor can significantly impact vehicle performance. After installing the new sensor, it is essential to verify the integrity of all connections made during the replacement process to ensure there are no overlooked issues that can lead to further problems. Once the installation is complete, the technician should clear the previously recorded DTC P2229 using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and then proceed to retest the vehicle. Monitoring the barosensor value again will confirm whether the issue has been resolved and allows for validation that the new sensor is functioning correctly. This comprehensive approach ensures that the vehicle operates seamlessly without further concerns related to barometric pressure readings. After completing the repair process and replacing components as necessary, conducting a final verification step is crucial to ensure that the DTC P2229 has been successfully addressed. The technician should check that the DTC has been cleared from the PCM's memory and that no new codes have emerged during the diagnostic process. Moreover, monitoring the performance of the newly installed barometric pressure (baro) sensor during a test drive will provide insights into its functionality in real-world conditions. During this evaluation, the technician should pay close attention to how the engine responds under various loads and conditions, ensuring optimal performance without recurring symptoms. A successful repair is not only indicated by the absence of diagnostic codes, but also by the vehicle's overall drivability and responsiveness. Engaging in this thorough verification process helps maintain vehicle integrity and instills confidence in the repair performed. Implementing preventive maintenance practices is vital in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2229. Regularly checking the functionality of the barometric pressure barosensor and conducting routine diagnostic checks can help identify potential issues before they become significant problems. Inspecting wiring and connections periodically ensures that any signs of wear and corrosion are addressed promptly, preventing electrical faults that could trigger the DTC. Utilizing quality replacement parts when repairs are necessary is also essential to guarantee optimal sensor performance and longevity. These simple, proactive measures can help maintain the integrity of the vehicle's engine management system, ensuring compliance with performance standards and prolonging the life of the vehicle. Establishing a culture of preventive maintenance can ultimately enhance the reliability and efficiency of the Honda Accord, minimizing unwarranted repairs over time. In summary, understanding DTC P2229 and its implications for the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models is crucial for effective vehicle maintenance. The Barometric Pressure Sensor is an integral part of the engine management system, and any abnormalities can lead to significant performance issues if left unaddressed. Proper diagnosis is key. Technicians must carefully assess all potential causes, from faulty sensors to wiring problems. Timely repairs not only enhance vehicle performance, but also prevent further complications down the line. By following a thorough troubleshooting process and implementing preventive maintenance measures, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Accord operates optimally over its lifespan. This proactive approach benefits both performance and reliability, making it essential for maintaining the highest standards of vehicle health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.